To turn on the H4n Zoom recorder, hold down the on button located on the lower right hand side. First, make sure to plug in your headphones located on the left side of the Zoom recorder. Find the menu button located on the upper right hand side of your Zoom recorder. Once you press the menu button, the selection wheel located above the menu button on the right hand side of the recorder will give you the ability to select whichever folder or menu option you would like to select. The Zoom H4n Pro recorder can only take 32 GB cards. The SD card is located on the lower right hand side of your Zoom recorder. Make sure that the SD card you are using is cleared of all previous information. To select the SD card, tap the menu button and use the selection wheel to find SD card. Select the SD card by pushing the selection wheel in. Once you've selected the SD card, you'll be given the option to format the card. Select Format the card. This may take a few moments. Once your card has been formatted, you can go back into the menu and this time look for REC or Record. Use the selection wheel to select REC format and set it to WAV or WAV 48 kHz 24-bit and select it using the menu wheel. Once back at the home screen, tap the menu button again. This time you're going to use the menu selection wheel to find mode. Find the selection that says stereo. Once stereo is selected, go back to the home screen. On the front of your Zoom recorder, you should have now two lights lit up. Under stereo, under Zoom, located at the top of your Zoom recorder underneath the mics, and mic, located on the left-hand side of your Zoom recorder. If you should tap the record button now, you should be able to test the levels of the mics located at the top of your Zoom recorder. You will notice that the record button is blinking. This means that the Zoom recorder is not recording your voice at this time. To record, tap it again. Then you will notice the numbers on the front of your Zoom recorder going up. We are now going to set up your Zoom recorder to record through the XLR inputs located at the bottom of your Zoom recorder. Tap the menu button. Use the selection wheel to find input and use the selection wheel to select it. And find phantom power and select 24 volts. And go back to the menu screen or the home screen. Tap the menu button again and scroll down to input to where you will find 1/2 link and make sure that that selection is turned on. When you come back to the menu again and then go back to input, you're going to find mono mix. Make sure that that is turned on as well. This will place the single mic into both left and right audio channels. To use two mics for the interview, you will have to go back to input through your menu and select 1 and 2 link and make sure that it is turned off. Then you can see that the input level on the front of your recorder is recording by individual channel, both XLR1 and XLR2. To change the input level on channel 1, select 1 on the front of your Zoom recorder and use the record level located on the right side of your Zoom recorder. Repeat the same process for XLR2 or channel 2. Tap the number 2 and find the record level on the right-hand side of the Zoom recorder. Remember, testing your audio levels requires you to tap the record button once and see that it is blinking. To record, tap it again. Then you will notice the numbers on the front of your Zoom recorder going up. This completes the instructions for your Zoom H4n Pro recorder.